Welcome to Telematics Canada. Our shiny new and very affordable Desay Series Xi is slim and trim, clean and lean, and ready to be installed with pretty much the least fuss and bother that you could possibly imagine. Oh, and in just about any configuration you care to come up with. The Series Xi is an installation panel, just for indoors, but not just for walls. Although that's just perfectly fine if that's what you need it for. Industry standard dimensions of 500 by 500 are nothing unusual or unexpected. But a profile of only 38 mm combined with a single panel weight of just 3 kg is a first for Desay. And if and when your Series Xi ever needs servicing, any of the 4 LED modules in a panel can be easily hot swapped from the front, along with NovaStar cards and PSUs. The Series Xi can be spec'd with 40 by 40 aluminum extrusion for single-face builds, or with 40 by 80 if your project happens to call for a stunning double-face display that measures in at just under 3 inches thick. Your display can be configured with framing along the perimeter, or at the backside of the panel, or in any combination your installation requires. Panel-to-panel cabling in every direction is cleverly recessed into the chassis to maintain that waistline and keep your display flush to the wall. To be perfectly candid, the Series Xi makes so much sense. We are a bit embarrassed to admit we didn't think of it sooner. Create a gorgeous perimeter display, measuring just a single row tall, around your retail space. Or build a centerpiece halo within a larger room, just by switching to a double-face layout for everyone to see. And maybe box in those awkward support columns while you're at it. Follow along the full length of a shopping aisle in a grocery store, using a single or a double-face configuration, or install standalone sets of panels wherever you may want them for the moment. And if you just want your display to stand on its own, we can extend your framing to build a permanent or transportable, floor-to-ceiling or something in between large format video wall that will equally impress your clients and your team, and maybe even your CFO. Just be ready for everyone in the room with their suggestions on how they would do it. People love to share. So when management tasks you with finding an incredible value in a super flexible, fine pixel display panel, well, I think you can announce that your search is over. Oh, and don't forget to mention that you used AI software to help guide your decision. They'll like that. Give us a call at your convenience, and let's spend some time reviewing your project. I can promise there will be nothing artificial about our discussion.